Hey guys, this is Black. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about Java variables. What are Java variables? In Java, a variable is a container for storing data values. It has a specific data type such as int, double or string, which determines the type of data it can hold. Variables are used to store and manipulate information within a program. A variable is the name of a reserved area allocated in memory. In other words, it is a name of the memory location. What are the types of Java variables? In Java, variables are classified into different types based on their characteristics and the kind of data that they can store. Here are the main types of variables in Java: local variables, instance variables, static variables, parameters, final variables, array elements. What are local variables? Local variables are declared within a method, constructor, or block. Local variables must be initialized before use. The scope of local variables is limited to the block of code where they are declared. In this example, local var is a local variable of type int which is declared within a method called example method. The local var variable is initialized to a value of 10. What are instance variables? Instance variables are declared within a class but outside of any method, constructor, or block. Instance variables belong to the instance of the class, and each instance of the class has its own copy. Instance variables are initialized when the object is created. In this example, instance var is an instance variable of type int which is declared within a class called example. What are static variables? Static variables are declared with the static keyword within a class but outside of any method, constructor, or block. Static variables belong to the class rather than a specific instance. Static variables are initialized when the class is loaded into the memory. In this example, static var is a static variable that is declared within the class called example. What are parameters? Parameters are variables that are specified in the method signature. Parameters are used to pass values into a method. In this example, parameter var of type int is passed to a method called example method. What are final variables? Final variables are declared with the final keyword. The value of final variables cannot be changed once initialized. Final variables are often used for constants. In this example, constant var is a final variable of type int. What are array elements? Array elements are variables that store the elements of an array. Array elements can be accessed using the array index. In this example, numbers is an array of type int. It has 3 values, 1, 2, and 3. Here, the first element of the array is accessed using the index 0, and the value is stored to a variable called array element. There are many types of variables in Java. Understanding their characteristics and usage is essential for effective Java programming. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy the content, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.